The first case under India's new criminal law, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, has been registered in Delhi. This case marks the beginning of a new era in India's legal framework, replacing 160-year-old Indian Penal Code. On July 1, a street vendor named Pankaj Kumar was booked under Section 285 of the BNSS at Kamla Market Police Station. Kumar, a resident of Bihar, was allegedly obstructing a footover bridge near the New Delhi railway station by selling water and tobacco. Despite being asked by patrolling officers to move his cart, he continued his activities, leading to the FIR. The new BNS, along with the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, came into effect nationwide on July 1. These laws replace IPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure, and Indian Evidence Act respectively, introducing several modern provisions to streamline the justice system. The BNS now consists of 358 sections, adding new 20 crimes and increasing penalties for 33 offences. It also introduces mandatory minimum punishments for 23 crimes and higher fines for 83 offences. For serious crimes, forensic investigations are mandatory, and community service is now a recognized form of punishment for certain offences. The BNSS and BSA brings further changes, such as recognizing transgenders along with the males and females, defining terrorism more comprehensively, and enhancing protections for victims through measures like in-camera testimonies and mandatory videography of crime scenes for heinous crimes. These reforms aim to modernize India's justice system, ensuring more efficient and effective law enforcement and judicial processes. However, cases filed before July 1 will continue to be tried under the old laws until their final resolution. Advocate Anwar Ali commented on the new law, stating, "Suddenly, if law has been changed, it will only leave bad impact in society."
The new laws in India have taken effect from today. In my personal opinion, these are going to affect badly in our society. We have taken decades to understand as to what are the criminal laws and the evidence are concerned. And all of a sudden, if some changes are being made, saying that we are just replacing the colonial laws, what are we going to entrust to the society? We are not, the change in the laws are not at all the change in the colonial system. Instead, we are getting more and more deeper into colonial system. We have to think of it, and I personally request all the advocates to come forward to stand against and protest in this regard, without which it is not going to stand in the position as it was.